any new finish to your catalog, go into your admin portal and herein go open the catalog option. Here under finishes, you can click on the same and go into whichever category of finish you want to add. Let's say I'm adding a laminate finish. So I can select laminate here. And if you want to create a laminate inside any of these subcategories, then you can directly go into add group. But if you want to create a new subcategory, then you can add subcategory here. And let's say I am naming it as merino laminates. I can put the order of this, meaning at what order it will show in my carousel, whether it will be shown as the first option or as the sixth option, depending on what number I put. So I am putting 6th here and then I am putting submit. So now a new subcategory has been added. I'll go inside this subcategory and here I'll add a group. So I can name this group as the finish that I want to add. I want to add a walnut bronze finish. So I'll name it as walnut bronze. And I'll also put the code for it, which is 10510. So walnut bronze 10510, and I'll put the order as 1 and then I will add it. Now a group has been created. Here I can add an SKU by creating an add SKU option here, and I can name the particular SKU as walnut bronze matte laminate, and I can name it as 10510 SF. So once that is done, you can also give an SKU code here, which is 10510 SF, and I can put the viewing order as 1 here again. If you want to add any description, then you can put it here as merino matte laminate. You can specify the product thickness here, and I can also choose a brand. I had already specified that it is merino, so I will be selecting merino from the drop down that has come down. So I'll select merino laminates here, and in the info I will upload the material. So when you click on that, you can select that it's a laminate type, and the base texture you can upload a digital image of the same. So when you click on upload, the storage of your computer opens up. You can select whichever image you want to upload here, which is the image of the laminate, and once you have uploaded it, you can specify the texture width, height if required, and any material specifications you want to change here. As you can see, this is a matte laminate, so I'll increase the roughness of this if required, and then I will add the material here. Once the material is added, you can click on submit. And now in this particular group, a new SKU is added of walnut bronze. You can go into the SKU properties of this, and here in pricing, you'll be able to see that in sales channel, default sales channel is already added. If you're working with more sales channels, then you can add the other sales channels also to this particular laminate, so that they are accessible to all designers across the sales channels. And then I can close it. If I want to input any pricing, I can input it here. Then I'll close it, and this particular laminate is now added to my finish. Always make sure that you're adding a high resolution image so that your renders are clean and clear.